lead, we make winners who lead.
Let us see the concepts. Verbal ability. See, under verbal ability, it is mandatory that if you have decided to take your MAT exam in the upcoming September, definitely you should practice minimum 2 reading comprehension per day. So, while practicing the reading comprehension, you have to pick out the difficult words and check for its meaning. Difficult words, you have to check pick out the difficult words and check for its meaning. Okay, and also you should learn the concepts like idioms and phrases. Okay, and also you should develop your vocabulary. See, to develop your vocabulary, you cannot take a note and you cannot write 10 words daily and check its meaning. So the thing is, you have to practice reading comprehension. See, if you practice more and more reading comprehension, definitely it will help you to crack the verbal ability part. Because most of the verbal ability part, the questions are based on vocabulary. And also, you should know some basic grammar. Okay, so before starting with your verbal ability, try to learn some basic grammar concepts like parts of speech, tenses, active voice and passive voice. Okay, and direct and indirect speech. Okay, direct and indirect speech, and then question tag. And also, more rules are available for error spotting. So try to learn the error spotting rules. Definitely, it will help you to crack 4 to 5 marks in the verbal ability part. So before starting with your verbal ability, definitely you should learn these concepts these concepts and its rules. Okay, parts of speech, tenses, active voice and passive voice, direct and indirect speech, question tag. Okay, and after covering the basic grammar, try to practice 2 to 3 reading comprehension minimum in a day, and also find out the odd words which you come across and its usage. Okay, so for verbal ability part, it is enough if you spend 20 minutes, not more than 20 minutes for verbal ability part. Okay, so the minimum time you should spend for minimum, that is a maximum time only you have to spend 20 minutes for verbal ability part. I hope you got some idea to how to crack the verbal ability part, right? Now,
Learn to lead, we make winners who lead.